COVID-19 screening, what to do before sending your child to school.
Check their temperature. Check your student's temperature every morning before sending to school. Do not send your child to school if the temperature is 100 or greater. Notify your child's school if they have a fever of 100 or greater.
Other symptoms to watch for that require your student to stay home are cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, new loss of taste or smell.
Masks must be worn while in the school building. The school will provide each student with one mask. Parents will be responsible for providing masks if the one from the school gets lost. Masks must be cleaned daily. If a student shows up for school without a mask, they will be sent home.
This is the proper way to wear a mask.
Touching. Please stress to your child daily. Do not touch your eyes. Do not touch your mouth. Do not touch your nose. Hands must be washed or sanitized after touching one of the above.
When to stay home. If exhibiting any of the previous symptoms, have a confirmed case of COVID-19 or has been in close contact with a person with a confirmed case of COVID-19, has a household member who is awaiting COVID-19 test results, is waiting for their own test results.
When your student can return to school. If your student has been out of school for symptoms consistent with COVID-19, they will not be allowed to return to school until they have met the following criteria. The 10-day isolation criteria, or have a letter from a licensed healthcare professional indicating release to return related to an alternative diagnosis, or provide documentation that they are free of COVID-19 via acute infection test at an approved COVID-19 testing location.
When your child is able to return to school, they must reinstate the day returning to school. If they have been absent for an illness, they must see the nurse prior to entering a classroom.
Medications at school. This year, the school will not be giving any over-the-counter medications unless you have a note from the doctor requesting it be given at school. No handheld nebulizer treatments will be given anywhere on school property this school year. If your child requires one, you may pick them up, take them home, and give them the treatment, and then return them to the school.